Hi there, it's Mike here from Michael Harraway Cars, based down in Weston Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2015 Peugeot Partner Tepee wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. So it's done 18,300 miles, one owner car from new, ex-Motability, so it comes with a full service history, as you would expect. Converted by alloyed vehicles and offers 3 seats plus a wheelchair or scooter. So 2 seats in the front and you've got the 1 chair in the rear. Also comes with a winch, that's what you can see in the middle with the yellow ribbon on it. Width there, I think they're about 82 centimetres across the width. The widest point about 140 centimetres in length, and up alongside the rear chair they're about 68 centimetres, so there should be plenty of room there for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. There's a lightweight ramp on the rear. And it also has a very handy fold flat function, which I'll just show you how that works. So you just get a normal, nice flat floor there as well, which can be quite useful. Also comes with rear parking sensors, privacy glass, so keep it that little bit cooler. That's your rear chair there. Show at the front. Again, as you'd expect, it's all nice and clean. 4 new tyres on it as well. So it comes with daytime running lights as well. Just show you on the driver's side. So there you go, 18,376 miles. That's where your CD radio, air conditioning. That's where your controls for your electric windows. Two keys as well there. So your power mirrors. So there you have it. So if that's of interest, if you want any more information, then please get in touch. You can either give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.